This is my favorite product, but I am also disappointed with this product. Hello, you guys. Warm welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evangeline Soanes, and this is my small space on the internet where I share everything that comes under lifestyle. So I'm talking about beauty, skincare, food, vlogs. If you don't know, I am vacationing in Mangalore right now, so I am also vlogging this trip. This is the first time that I've shopped from Savannah. I'm very excited. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing. It's because of the sun and I'm sitting across my balcony. So the light is not going to be steady. Please bear with me. So for the first one are these pair of socks. Now I have used one set of these. This is the white color that I've used, and the one that is still new brand is the beige one. So let me just show you first. I also did not take this out because I wanted you to see how they packed their things. I think this is where I was a fan of Savannah, because when I received the order, I opened the packets and I see everything has its own separate pouch. It's not like one big pouch and everything is shoved, which is absolutely amazing. And these two socks were in two different pouches. So this is the white one and this is the beige one. But there's not much difference in this. As you can see, it's just very subtle difference. This is way above the ankle but way below your mid calves. It's absolutely cute, and let me just show you what is more cute about this is that they have this tag right behind which says "must believe in tomorrow." Anyways, if you are somebody who doesn't like this, you can easily pull out these stitches and take off the tag. It's super comfortable. It's ribbed, by the way, and it is 100% cotton. Really love the way it fits. I can actually wear and show you how it looks on my leg. Just give me a second. Ow. My leg is numb after a quick grandma break. So when I was shopping, I did not have much color options because it went out of stock, but their color range is so good. Let me just show you. They have beige, which I showed you. They have light blue, light green. Light green is also very cute. They have light yellow, white, pink, purple. Love the purple shade. And then they have black. They do have a lot of sales that keep coming, and then they also have a lot of these offers where you buy one get one free. Every time I've gone, I have seen that offer on something or the other. So keep an eye on the website if you've been wanting to shop. For the next one, again, I have a pair of socks. So this is a pair of socks which has floral print and it has frills on it. It is the most cutest thing. Growing up, I remember wearing socks, white socks. I would always wear white socks and those ballet shoes, and I used to get irritated with those lacy socks and frills and all of that, but now I love it. Their white is different is what I can say. So do you see the difference in white? So I do feel this is not white, this is off-white, and this is proper white color. Now moving on to the innerwear, I have a black bra here. I have two black bras. This is the black bra that I have purchased. It is seamless. It has nice molding to it. The straps are so thin. There is no underwire or anything. The padding is again not too thick. The back of it, which is so beautiful, but they have these three straps going in. This is really nice because you have three hooks and it's good support. Also, this is proper cotton. It's very comfortable. When you touch it, you know this is super comfortable. The next one, this is again a black bra, and this is something I bought to wear at home. So it's very simple. There's not much going on. There's no padding. There is no underwire, anything. But let me just show you the detailing. It has this lace work on it. It's very gorgeous. They do have this in two colors, which is black and white. I bought black, and the straps can be removed. Again, the straps are also very thin. This is the waistband. So it's just very thin band, and you just have one hook here. Now the only thing is, something that I've realized is that the sizes are pretty crazy. Let me just check because they don't have specific size. Now this I did buy, and this was, so they have three options, which is small, medium, large. This was the first time that I was buying in Savannah and I did not know how they work, so I went for the large size. Now when I think about it, I do feel like this is a little big for me. Maybe I'll try it and I'll let you know. I'll just maybe mention it on the screen for you if this fits me or not, so you'll figure it out. If you're somebody who is around 32A or B, you will know if you want to buy it or if you want to buy the medium size or the smaller size. And for the last innerwear, this is a thong. They have many colors. I don't think when I was buying they had so many colors. I only found gray. They also have this patchwork done, but There's nothing much about it. This is pure cotton. The next one is their phone case. I love all their phone cases. They have some amazing collection. This is a very basic black cover with a chain thing going on, so you can like easily hold. My phone model is iPhone 12. They have option for all the iPhone like latest ones, and I also think they have few for Samsung if I'm not wrong, but sadly they don't have options for any other phone. Especially in India, they should make more covers for other brands. I think for the past couple of years I have been purchasing my cases from Urbanic, and which is now Savannah, but this is the case. Now with this I also have like a sling string which you can easily attach here, and it's really nice if you're somebody who does workout and like goes on walks and things like that. So you can have this around your waist. You can adjust this as much as you want. If you're somebody who has iPhone and you're looking for very cute covers, Savannah is a place to go. It is a lot cheaper than other websites is what I've seen. So Savannah has a lot of good iPhone collections and very different kinds of collections. And we are here for the finale product. This is my favorite product, but I am also disappointed with this product. This is the sling bag. Love the material. It carries a lot of things. I don't know if you can see, but it's that wide. This looks like pure leather. It feels like pure leather, but this is not pure leather because I got it for so cheap. So you have around like 5 holes that they've made here, and it's a buckle system. So you can go up and down and like, you know, change the height, like how tall you are, how short you are, depends on that, and you can kind of fix that. So it's on the both side. Now coming to the issue that I have with this bag is this strap. If you can see, the strap looks fine. There is no issue at all, right? Like it's super neat. There is no stitch or anything. It's because they have glued it and it just split, like the glue, it separated. It's a bummer because that happened on the entire strap. But the only thing is that I have to take it to somebody who is specialist in recovering bags. I'm going to get it stitched because glue doesn't work. I did fix it, but as you can see, it still is coming off. That is the only thing which is super disappointing for me. I think I got the order and in a week's time, this is how it was. I do stay in a place back in Bombay, my house. The place where I live, there is a lot of moisture. Bags and shoes are always in danger in that house. That's an issue. And that is why I kept it in a well-ventilated place where I usually keep my bags. So that was really something that I'm like super sad about. But anyways, am I sad about buying this bag because of this? Nope, because for the amount and for the quality, I do not mind it. I just have to get it stitched. I just have to make sure it's done really well and neatly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Also, I will just leave all the links down below, so don't forget to check that out. And I will see you in my next video. Until next time, do not forget that you are loved. So stand tall, stay strong, and love strong. By the way, they also give you cute stickers with your packages. Unfortunately, I only received one sticker. So Savannah, I am complaining because I saw my sister's packages when it was coming. All her packages had stickers. So I'm asking Savannah, where are my extra stickers? Like, who doesn't like stickers?